Imagine making your first affiliate sale today with no website, no email list, and zero experience, all for just $1. Sounds crazy? Well, stay tuned because I'm showing you exactly how it works and how you can get started instantly. My first impression of the $1 cash system? It's insanely beginner friendly. You literally send a link, they handle the promotion, and you start earning commissions. No tech headaches, no guesswork. It's almost plug and play for newbies wanting to get into affiliate marketing. So, what is the $1 cash system? Simply put, it's a done for you affiliate system that gives you guaranteed approval to promote top selling Warrior Plus products. You don't need a website, YouTube channel, or social media following. Once you submit your link, the system promotes it for you, and every sale earns you 100% front-end commissions. It's perfect for busy moms wanting extra income, college students starting out, anyone working from home with no marketing experience. And it solves the common problem of newbies thinking, I don't know how to get traffic or make sales. This system literally does it all for you. Let me quickly walk you through the dashboard. Here's your main front-end access. You just enter your Warrior Plus affiliate link, choose your product to promote, hit submit. From here, the system starts promoting your link automatically. There's no content creation, no email sequences, and no social media hustle. You can see your stats right here: sales, clicks, and commissions, all in real time. The simplicity is what makes it perfect for complete beginners.
What could you buy for a single dollar? 3 sips of a cup of coffee? A handful of sweets? A ticket to watch the first 5 minutes of a football match? Well, what if I told you that today I'm going to give you a passive earnings opportunity every day for a whole year just for a single dollar? Welcome to the $1 cash system. Hi, I'm Dawud Islam, and along with my launch partner Charles Draven, we've got something very special for you today. There really is no catch. All you have to do is to collect a Warrior Plus link with guaranteed approval and paste it into a box. That is all you will ever need to do, ever. I'm offering this because I want you to succeed and not to struggle during your early days online like I did, struggling to get approved for offers, unable to build up my affiliate score, and unable to make any sales. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not offering to make you rich here, but you will be in profit after your very first sale. And my job is to start you off on a journey that leads you to much bigger money further down the line. So if you've been struggling to get your first sale or even to get approved for offers, then this is for you. But if you're an established affiliate who just wants some extra sales without having to do anything for them, then this is for you as well. After all, who doesn't like a little something extra without having to work for it? But at the end of the launch, the price will be going up. So grab your copy today and lock in those passive earnings for the next calendar year, all for just a single dollar today. Myself and Charles will see you on the inside.
And yes, there are optional upgrades for serious results. Pro version, $27. Get 5x more passive earnings opportunities. Massive traffic bundle, $97. Exclusive traffic to boost your links with hundreds of hits per week. Reseller rights, $47. Sell the system as your own and keep 100% commissions. New Executive Club, $37. Early access to all future launches. Elite Academy access, $497. Beta access to high-ticket training with massive discounts. Each upgrade is optional, but they can accelerate your earnings if you're ready to take it to the next level. And when you grab this system today, you also get exclusive bonuses worth hundreds of dollars. Here are just 10 of them. WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows to engage visitors. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your site and reduce bounce rates. Lead Book Generator. Automatically add Facebook leads to your email list. WP Email Timer Plus. Countdown timers to increase conversions. Conversion Equalizer. Boost AdWords conversion ratios automatically. Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels. Action Poll. segment your email list for better conversions. Article Analyzer, optimize content for search engines. Website Pouch Pro, hide or reveal content for targeted engagement. Slide Up Bar plugin, build your email list with stylish opt-ins. Remember, these bonuses double the value of your purchase, but they're limited to the first 25 buyers, so acting fast is key. So, is the $1 cash system worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're a beginner. For just $1, you get guaranteed affiliate approval, a DFY system, and access to incredible bonuses that would cost hundreds elsewhere. But don't wait. These exclusive bonuses disappear fast, and this $1 front end offer won't last forever. Click the link below to grab your access right now and start making your first affiliate sale today. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more affiliate marketing tips and product reviews. After purchasing, all bonuses and instructions will be delivered instantly via your dashboard. Don't miss out. Click the link below and get started.